Okay, here's an update today for the Predator electric bike. I don't know, it's gonna be a bike or a mini bike because I used the mini bike frame. So the length of the bike is frame is like a mini bike. And today we update of the really nice cleaning and and see overall. And I moved for the control box inside the gas tank with it. Like I built like a coffin style, and we have EMO right here. Yeah, emergency, and this is gonna be like steampunk or classic. And here still not finished yet. I have the selector for the speed, and let's see inside. I didn't plan to put a box in here, but accidentally it's perfect. It's kind of like get all the messy wiring inside, hiding, and look a good job outside. And here, 80 amps, 72 watt, and cool. All my friends said, hey, leave it like that. You don't need to paint. I like to paint, and here probably have like a decal style, like scratch. It's kind of cool. Look very cute. And here's a jack shop my friend built for me, very cheap. And the motor is 2000 watt, I guess, because you don't have a spec for that. This is OEM motor from China. They build to order and not sell. And minimum order like 10. I got 3 in some of my friends. It's already no more. They don't build for us anymore because they have exclusive right for some vendor or customer they want to build a motorbike. But it's good power. So I'm gonna put camera here. I'm gonna check a little bit. Okay, everything fine. And then I'm gonna start running to show all the folk here. The jack chop. See how power on. Click. And then this is a sine wave, controller box, and can be programmed via Bluetooth in the Android application. This is what I like about it, motor. How is that? Pretty cool, huh? So this is a box, and we have the digital one. It's right there. So it's the digital. Let me zoom it, because this one haven't put on the speed yet. Not bad, huh? Okay. This is let's see. Let's go on the detail. So this is my shop. I live in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. I used to live in US, Silicon Valley for 14 years, and I come back to Thailand. This is semi-retirement. We have a shop. This is just for the hobby only. Right? And so you can see here, many of my friends said, hey, you don't need to paint that color, leave it aluminum shiny. It's very hard I try to wax them up, but I need to get some too. And as you know, we have the virus spreads around, and I live in Thailand. today they announced for state of emergency. So all the place, shopping center, the retail, everything stopped, closed. So I don't have the part. So everything I got the part or bow and nut I ordered from China. Take about a week, but it's still, pretty cool, huh? So anyone have a comment, let me know, and I try to answer whatever I can. And things about that. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you later. Thank you very much from Naiyim Garage. Goodbye. Stay healthy. Bye bye.